If you have seen this message on May 7, this is your love reading. Spirit guides were telling me to send this message to you. At ito ang gustong sabihin sa'yo na mga gabay mo. Usually, my readings takes from 3 to 6 months. So, if this reading resonates with you, don't forget to tap and share the video. You can go back and check this reading again. Okay? So, we have your engagement. The card fell down, so we have to get it. Reconciliation. So there's someone wanting to offer you this love, and you've been contemplating if you will accept this. Who is this person? This is your ex. From yourself. Okay. So let's see. Let's clarify with tarot cards. Who is this person? I'm channeling here. Spirit guides, please help me channel the message for all the collectives. Okay, I'm picking here a broken family. Okay, we have the 5 of Swords. Nagkaroon ng kasalanan tong tao na to sa'yo. And ito, gusto niya ng bagong simula with you. So, yun yung lumabas dito sa first 3 cards mo. And with your person, gusto niya kasi na magkaroon kayo ng conversation again. So, maybe this person blocked you or hindi kayo nagkaroon ng maayos na hiwalayan. Kaya ito, yung sinasabi sa'yo na message. So, nasihira ang relasyon yung dalawa. It's because of the people involvement. In the past, nagkaroon siya ng iba dito. Tapos, itong person mo, ngayon niya lang na-realize yung mga mistakes niya. Unti-unti siyang kinakain ng sistema niya. Kakaisip sa'yo. Ngayon, gusto niyang balikan ka. Okay, with the Justice card, your person also see you as someone na parang gusto niya magkaayos kayong dalawa and gusto niya ibigay sa'yo yung deserve mo na communication. Kasi meron siya gusto i-clarify, maybe. In the past, hindi talaga siya naging maayos sa'yo. And yung treatment niya sa'yo is very, like, unfair on your part. Okay, close off siya. Actually, blinak ka nito. And now that your person is realizing na meron pala siyang mistakes, so dapat pala hindi ka niya blinak. And I also channel here na yung mistake na ginawa niya sa'yo, hindi niya talaga yung ginusto. So, I also see here na parang meron pa kayong agawan sa bata. Kung may anak kayo, and if wala naman kayong anak, I think your person has inner child issues na kailangang i-address. So, this person also, I'm channeling here na trinay niyang kausap